Nice.
Well. I think that's enough for now. I did it. I fixed the bike. I repaired it this week. It works kind of okay for as far as I can tell. It's been raining, so I can't really test it out and see if it's leaking with all the water. So I did a little test drive, but it worked out so far. I will have a video of it coming out pretty soon, I hope. So the TET journey, adventure can continue soon. Just as soon as I have motorcycle pants. Because I've been just driving in my normal everyday pants. And motorcycle gloves as well. Because these just don't do. And they're very cold. But to keep you guys entertained, I have a video of some outtakes and some extended versions of some clips. Just so at least I could keep the TET ball rolling.
Yeah. Okay, there we go. Big one. Okay, yeah, this is going to be a little too tight for my baby drone. Well, here we go. Some more dirt. Oh my god, Jesus. I did not expect this to be there out of nowhere. Okay. It's just pure darkness I went into, and in the dark was death. Okay, I definitely took the wrong road. Oh, that was close. I almost just want to do it. Oh, I go here. Oh no, it's one of these. Where I go here. Please don't make me fall in the water. Ah, some technical stuff. Nice. Oh god, here's sand again. It's just one thing into the other. That thing is not following me, that's good. Okay. Stay. I was gonna say I'll stay left, it seems good, but Jesus. Maybe he saw me. even wider on the road. Jesus. Okay. So I'm entering Vlaanderen. Next right. Oh, okay. Well, that was a Porsche gang. Well, would you look at that? I think this is the first time I actually, oh no, the second time or something, that I saw one of these windmills actually working. Getting stuff done. Nice. I like little paths like this. Just hard-packed sand. Nothing crazy. Oh, that's really nice though. I don't know if you can see, but there's like rays of sunshine coming over through the clouds. Okay, here we go. Some fun. Oh, that's a lot of birds. Maybe. Please don't attack my drone birds. They are all going away. I'm scaring all of them off. How will I go through this? Okay, go straight here, I guess. Oh my god. Oh. What is that? That looks cool. No, I feel raindrops. Oh god. Guess we're going here. Jesus. It is definitely raining. Okay, well, that's not the best thing to be happening right now.
Okay, and that's it again for this video. So thank you guys for watching. Bye!